Welcome to Creative World viewers. Today I will solve exercise problem number 28. In this scenario, we will be using electrical power formula voltage multiplied by current, and we also will be using passive sign convention theory. According to this theory, the element with negative power will be considered as power supplier and the element with positive power will be considered as power absorber. Let's read the scenario. Two elements are connected in series as shown in figure 1.28. Element 1 supplies 24 watt of power. Is element 2 absorbing or supplying power and how much? Voltage across these two elements are also mentioned and the power of element 1 is also given and this power is being supplied through element 1. I have redrawn the circuit here. Voltage across element 1 is given and the power supplied through element 1 is also mentioned. Here I used negative sign notation with the power because this power is being supplied through element 1 and we have to calculate the power of element 2 and also identify either it is being supplied or absorbed. In order to calculate the power of element 2 we should have the current through it and current of this circuit could be calculated using element 1 power because voltage across element 1 is given, power of element 1 is also given. If we calculate the current of element 1, same current with same direction will be passing through element 2 because of series connection. So we will be able to calculate and identify the power of element 2. First calculate the current of element 1. Data which we taken from this question is power of element 1 which is minus 24 watt, voltage across element 1 3 volt and voltage across element 2 6 volt. Using power formula voltage multiplied by current and entering the voltage and power of element 1 to calculate current through element 1 which is minus 8 ampere. This will be the direction of current through element 1 because it is supplying power, so the current direction will be leaving from positive terminal of element 1 and entering from negative terminal of element 1. This minus sign is indicating that the current direction will be opposite to the conventional current direction of an element. Current is 8 ampere through this loop and this current will be passing through this element 2 as well with same direction. Now we can calculate the power of element 2 because current through this element and voltage across this element are known. Using same formula of power calculation, power of element 2 will be voltage across it 6 volt and the current through it 8 ampere. This will be 48 watt and here we taken the current with positive sign just because of the passive sign convention theory. Current is entering from the positive terminal of element 2 and leaving from the negative terminal of element 2. That's why we taken the current with positive notation and the power of this element 2 is 48 watt. Because the power is with positive magnitude, so it will be considered as the power is being absorbed by element 2. This was the exercise question number 28 of chapter 1. See you in next video. Thank you.